world economy's shape is fundamentally different from what it was before. The developed countries are still about half the world economy, roughly half at PPP, a bit more at market prices, but their share has shrunk dramatically. And what has taken its place is dominantly China. So we have seen now emerge in the last 25 years a new pole for the world economy, and that pole is China. And the implication of that, which is very, very important, is because China sustained growth after the crisis. With the slowdown in Chinese investment has come a massive decline in real commodity prices, which nonetheless, because of China, still remain well above the level of the last 30 years on average. So we haven't had a real commodity price correction. We've just had a removal of a super boom. And I'm afraid, I'm of the view that the downside risks in commodities are very substantial. So the world is integrating, but it's also dividing in important ways. The high-income countries are in a very advanced process of aging. Their underlying trend growth dynamic is very, very slow. Europe is really got a trend growth of not much more than 1% now. And my own guess is that US is not much more than 1.5%. Maybe closer to 2%, but really the developed countries are growing very, very slowly.